In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add emojis in Figma. We will cover two simple approaches, using your computer's built-in emoji picker for quick text-based emojis, and using Figma plugins when you want more polished graphic style emojis. Follow along and choose the method that best matches your design needs. Let's start with the fastest option, the native emoji picker. First, create a text layer. Press T on your keyboard, then click anywhere on your canvas to start typing. With your text cursor active inside that text box, open the emoji picker. On Mac, press Ctrl plus Command plus Space. On Windows, press the Windows key plus period. A panel of emojis will appear. Browse or search within that panel. Then simply click the emoji you want and it will be inserted right into your text box at the cursor position. From here, you can style your emoji, just like regular text. Increase or decrease the font size to scale the emoji, and adjust line height or alignment as needed to fit your layout. Depending on your system and the font you are using, emojis may render slightly differently. So if an emoji looks off, try switching to a font that supports color emojis. This approach is perfect when you are working with labels, buttons, or body copy and want emojis to flow naturally with your text. Now, if you are aiming for visual impact or need high quality graphic style emojis, use Figma plugins. Plugins often provide vector-based or richly rendered emojis that hold up beautifully at larger sizes. To get started, open Quick Actions by pressing Ctrl plus K. Then select Plugins in the Plugins tab. Type emoji or Figmoji to find relevant options. Click Run on a plugin to open it. Inside the plugin, browse or search for the emoji you want. When you click an emoji in the plugin, it will be added directly to your canvas. These plugin-added emojis behave like any other graphic element in Figma. They're great when you need crisp results for headers, social tiles, or presentation slides. And they typically scale cleanly without losing quality. Because they're separate from text, you can position them precisely. Layer them with other shapes and maintain consistent visuals across platforms. That's it. Thanks for watching.